पहले आपके सीनियर के MTH 174 यानी कि इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स के रीअपियर के एग्जाम हुए थे एंड यू विल सरप्राइज टू नो दैट 60 में से 21 क्वेश्चन सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रीवियस ईयर से एज इट इज उठा के रख दिए गए थे। मतलब वर्डिंग भी नहीं चेंज करी गई थी, ना कि डेटा भी नहीं चेंज किया गया था। सेम क्वेश्चन उठा के प्रीवियस ईयर से आपके पेपर में दिए गए थे, आपके सीनियर के पेपर में। सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ PYQ is important for your upcoming exam. So in this video, I will tell you 60 plus previous year questions of MTH 174 which is previously asked in your college exam. So it will be very helpful for your upcoming exam, MTH exam. It is हो सकता है कि जो सेम क्वेश्चन है उठा के रख दिए जाए। तो आप एक काम करना, जो भी मैं क्वेश्चन इसमें बताने वाला हूँ इसका मैं आंसर की बताऊंगा सिर्फ। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व दोज क्वेश्चन, आई विल जस्ट टेल यू द आंसर and all the answers I will tell you is the 100% correct answer because that answer key is provided by your college only, so you can trust on that answer. So let's start with the first question, but before starting, please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, and go through the MCQs of unit number 1, unit number 2 and unit number 3. I will provide the link of those videos in the description box. So your first question is the rank of the matrix this, मतलब means your matrix is given to you and you need to find the rank of the matrix, and here is a condition A is equal to B and not equal to C. So I am just going to tell you the answer of all those questions. I am not going to solve this question. You just sit, सॉल्व करो इस क्वेश्चन को, आंसर मैच करो। अगर मैच कर जाता है तो फिर अच्छी बात है, अगर मैच नहीं करता है तो कोशिश करो सॉल्व करने के लिए, ठीक है, फिर से। और अगर नहीं होता है ना, और आपने अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो आप एज इट इज आंसर को जस्ट रिमेंबर कर लो। बहुत ही चांस है कि प्रीवियस ईयर के सेम क्वेश्चन आपके भी एग्जाम में आ जाए, क्योंकि आपके सीनियर के जो अभी एग्जाम हुए थे रीअपियर में सेम क्वेश्चन आए थे। सारे सीनियर आपके पास हो गए, एज इट इज सेम क्वेश्चन उठा के रख दिए थे, जो जो PYQ करके गए थे ऐसे ही पास हो गए। सो आप में भी सेम क्वेश्चन आने के बहुत ही ज्यादा चांस है। तो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन। मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the characteristic equation of the matrix is given to you. You need to find the characteristic equation of this matrix. Correct answer will be option number C is the correct answer for this question. जो यहाँ पे आंसर टिक लगा हुआ है, हो नहीं सकता है कि सारे में जो टिक लगा है वो करेक्ट ही हो। इसमें करेक्ट हो गया या फिर प्रीवियस वाले में करेक्ट हो गया। सो फोकस ऑन दिस आंसर, दिस इज द 100% करेक्ट आंसर। Don't focus on this answer. Okay, moving to the next question. In this question you need to find the trace of the matrix is given to you. Very simple question from your first unit. Answer will be option number B is the correct option for this question. Next question, if A is a square matrix then orthogonality property mandates what? Option is given and correct option is option number D. D is the correct option for this question. Next question, the value of lambda for which the vector coordinates are given and are linearly independent. Option is given 2 3 4 5. Correct answer is option number D is the correct answer for this question. आराम से बैठ जाओ, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो। अगर सॉल्व हो पाता है फिर आंसर से मैच करो, बहुत अच्छी बात है, फिर आपका बेटर प्रैक्टिस है इस कोर्स कोड के लिए। और अगर नहीं हो रहा है आपसे क्वेश्चन, फिर से ट्राई करो। उससे भी नहीं होता, अगर आपने कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है तो बस आप आंसर को रट लो। सेम क्वेश्चन आने के बहुत ज्यादा चांस है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is the solution of the given equation? Question is given to you and correct option is option number A. Option number A is the correct answer for this question. Next question, which of the following are true about the above D? ऊपर correct answer for this question is option number B. The auxiliary equation has two different root is the correct option. Next question, the general solution of the differential equation is given to you. Question from your second unit or third unit maybe. Correct answer is option number C is the correct option. Next question, the particular integral of equation is given to you. Correct option is option number A is the correct option for this question. Just pause the video for the question, and better is to solve the question and then match the answer if it is correct. Next question, correct answer is option number C is the correct answer. All the answer which I am providing to is 100% correct, because this is the answer key provided by your college only. Okay, next question, correct answer is option number A for this question. Question from the third unit. Moving to the next question. Again the equation is given and the correct answer is option number D is the correct answer for this question. Next question, complementary of the function. Equation is given to you and correct answer is option number C is the correct answer. Next question, again you need to find the particular integral of the given question. Particular integral question from the third unit, very important unit. Correct answer is option number C. Okay, next question, the root of the A of the differential equation. You need to find the root of this differential equation, and correct answer is option number A only. Okay, next question. Now the question from the Fourier series chapter, unit number 4. Fourier series is given by this in the interval minus pi to pi. Okay, which of the following is false? Correct option is option number C. C is the correct option for this question. Next question, guys. Again I am repeating, all these questions are very important, very important. If you do all these questions means वैसे ही आप पास हो, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा रिपीट हो रहे हैं MTH 174 के प्रीवियस एग्जाम को मैंने एनालाइज किया है. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इवन फंक्शन ऑफ t? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर A. t square is the even function of t. Okay, question from the even odd function. Next question, given the periodic function this, then the value of the Fourier coefficient Bn can be computed as what? Correct option is option number C. C is the correct option. Next question, if Fourier series of a function is given to you, the value of the Fourier coefficient Bn is what? Correct option is option number C. C is the correct option. Next question, for the Fourier expansion of periodic function fx defined in this interval, if fx is an even function, then which of the following is correct? Correct option is option number B. B is the correct option. Bn is equal to 0. Next question, again the question of the Fourier series. From the Fourier series unit you will get 15 questions. From the last 3 unit you will get 15 15 15 questions respectively, and from the first 3 unit you will get 5 5 5 questions for sure. Okay, so all the units are important, and I have provided the some MCQs of unit number 1, 2 and 3. I will provide the link of those videos in the description box. You will go through those questions also. Correct option for this question is option number C. Next question, if the Fourier series for fx converges uniformly in this interval, then what is the value of this? Correct option is option number D. D is the correct option. Next question, question from the periodic function is given to, and the coefficient a0 of the continuous Fourier series associated with the given function ft can be computed as. Correct option is option number C. C is the correct option. Next question, the value of the Fourier coefficient n in the Fourier series expansion of sin ax for this interval is. Correct option is option number B. Okay, moving to the next question, the half range sine series of fx is equal to x in this interval is. Correct option is option number D. D is the correct option. गाइस ये जो ऑप्शन टिक लगा हुआ है ये हमेशा सही नहीं होगा. जो मैं आंसर नीचे प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूँ आंसर की से, ये 100% सही है. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the value of the Fourier coefficient a1 in the Fourier series expansion of cos x for this interval is. Correct option is option number B. B is the correct option. Next question, the periodic of the function cos x is. Very simple question, in fact the question from the 12th class. Correct option is option number C. Pi is the correct option. Which of the following is I'm not pronouncing it. What is written here? Correct option is for this question is option number B is the correct option for this question. Next question. 29th number question. Periodic function is given to you and the coefficient a0 of the continuous Fourier series associated with the given function fx can be computed as. Correct option is option number D, 2 minus pi. Next question. Given the periodic function is given to you with the period 2 pi, the coefficient an in the continuous Fourier series associated with the given function ft can be computed as. Correct option is option number A. A is the correct option. Next question. If f of x comma y is equal to x square minus y square plus 4, then f has extreme value at. Option B is correct, 0, 0. Next question. The value of the given equation is. Correct option is option number D is the correct option. Limit doesn't exist. Next question. The value of this is. Correct option is option number. Option number A. A is the correct option. 9. Next question. Again the equation is given to you and you need to find the value of this. Correct option is option number B. Cos y is the correct option. Next question. Again the equation is given to you and you need to find the value of this. Correct option is option number value of dz by dt at t is equal to pi by 2. Correct option is option number B is the correct option for this question. Next question. Equation is given to you and you need to find the value of this. Correct option is option number A. A is the correct option for this question. Next question. Correct option is option number B. B is the correct option. Guys, आराम से बैठो, क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करो, आंसर को मैच करो. सॉल्व हो जाता है तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं होता है तो आंसर को रट जाओ. बस यही एक तरीका है पास होने का. फिर ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी. डजंट एग्जिस्ट इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 39th number question. Correct option is option number D is the correct option. Next question. And correct option is option number A. Okay, moving to the next question. Correct option will be option number B is the correct option. Next question. If x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, then the value of this is what? Correct option is option number D. D is the correct option. 43 number question. Correct option is option number D. 2z is the correct option. Next question. Maximize of the function x plus y minus z is equal to 1 with respect to the constant xy is equal to 36 is what? Correct option is option number A. No maxima exists for this function. Next question. If f of x comma y is equal to x cube plus y cube minus 2x square y square, then f of 1 comma 1 is what? Correct option is option number B is the correct option. Next question. Correct option is option number C. Again the next question. You need to find the triple integral of dx dy dz which gives what? Volume of region T, surface of region T, area of region T or density of region T. Correct option will be option number A. Volume of region T. Next question. The value of this is what? Correct option is option number D is the correct option. Next question. Again you need to find the value of this. Correct option will be option A. And 50th number question. Correct option will be option number C is the correct option. Next question. The area bounded by the curves x is equal to y and y square is equal to 1 minus x is what? 4 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 4 by 3 or minus 2 by 3. Correct option is option number A. 4 by 3 is the correct option. Next question. Again you need to find the double integral. Correct option will be option number D. 0 is the correct option. Next question. Correct option is integral of cos y dx dy. And in the interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, correct option is option number C. 4 is the correct option. Next question. Correct option is option number C. Again the next question. The area bounded by the curves this and y square is equal to 2x plus 4 is what? Correct option is option number B. 18 is the correct option. Next question. The solution of double integral dx dy by xy is what? Option D is correct. Next question. On changing the order of integration this, what will be the value of this integration? Correct option is option number D. Next question. Correct option will be option number B. Moving to the second last question of this video. If we change the order of the integration this, then what will be the value? What will be the limit for x in double integral of xy dx dy? Correct option is option number A. Okay. And the last question is the volume bounded by the planes x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 0, z is equal to 1 is option A is correct. 1 will be the correct option. Okay. So this was the all question. This was all the previous most important question. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Guys, I have provided the link of all those 3 video in the description box. Go and check those videos. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.